In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a responsive footer in Dreamweaver. First, you'll want to open up Dreamweaver. As you may know, Dreamweaver is a powerful tool for web development. It combines a visual design surface with a code editor and supports various web technologies. This makes it ideal for both beginners and professionals. Next, open your HTML page. This is the file where you'll be adding your footer. It's important to have your HTML document ready because this is where you'll integrate your new code. Having all your documents organized will streamline your workflow and help avoid unnecessary confusion. Now click on Split View. This feature allows you to see both the design and the code sides of your page simultaneously. It's a great way to understand how changes in the code affect the visual output, enhancing your learning and efficiency. With Split View activated, add the following code inside the body tags of your HTML. Open angle bracket, footer class equals quotation footer quotation, close angle bracket, paragraph tag, copyright symbol 2026 my website, close paragraph tag, close angle bracket, / footer, close angle bracket. This piece of code creates a basic footer. Having a footer is crucial for any website. It provides users with necessary information like copyright or contact details, which is an important part of user experience. Once that is done, let's style it. Add this CSS inside the head tags of your HTML. Open style tag, close style tag. Inside, type .footer open curly brace, background : black semicolon, color : white semicolon, text align : center semicolon, padding : 20 pixels semicolon, close curly brace. Then add a media query to make it responsive. Type at media open parentheses max width : 768 pixels, close parentheses open curly brace, .footer open curly brace padding : 10 pixels semicolon, close curly brace, close curly brace. This CSS will style your footer with a black background and white text. The text will be centered and there will be padding for better spacing. The media query ensures the padding adjusts on smaller screens, making your footer responsive. A responsive design is essential today as it ensures your site looks good on all devices from desktops to smartphones. After adding your CSS, save your file. This step is crucial as it ensures all your hard work is not lost. It also allows you to preview your changes in real time without having to redo any steps. Now, click on Live View or press F12 to preview your footer. This action will render the HTML and CSS you've just added, allowing you to see how it looks in a browser-like environment. Seeing the changes live helps confirm everything is working as expected. At this point, you should see your newly created footer, styled and responsive. Remember, a well-designed footer enhances user experience and provides essential information at a glance. Thank you for following along. Feel free to experiment further with styles and media queries to refine your footer. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in Dreamweaver.